The gap between excellent science and a product that can be used in a patient is actually very large. And there are many gaps there and many challenges. One is just demonstrating those therapies with the right kind of efficacy and dosages for effectiveness in the patient. The other is dealing with safety, and there are lots of regulatory hurdles there. How do you industrialize those products? And then there's a whole host of commercial hurdles. How do you make enough? How do you distribute it to the patients and all that kind of stuff? So there are many steps along the way for translation, including a major one in the trials on humans. And that can take many years and have many challenges itself. What we are doing is putting together all the pieces of the puzzle that can fill in those gaps. And that means you have to bring academic partners together to use the wonderful infrastructure that's in the community, but also their great ideas. It means you need industry there to provide the market pull, the so what, what's the market need. And what we are working on now is how do you bring investors to play in an area where we've demonstrated that we have great science and we have a pathway to the market. The promise of regenerative medicine is ultimately to provide cures. Every other medical product, whether it's devices or drugs or biologics, treats symptoms. And regenerative medicine offers the promise of curing disease. Now, if you can cure disease, it's obvious the health benefits and impact of that, but it also changes the economics of healthcare and the ability for individuals to contribute to society by having their disease cured. It will be a major shift and change in both healthcare and the economics of healthcare.